Okay, so hi and welcome to the members part of my channel. This is where you'll find absolutely the best Cajon learning content that I have to offer. And in this little introduction video, I'd just like to try and explain to you why I think a membership here on my channel is the best way to learn Cajon and grow as a percussionist. It just comes down to three things. It's quality, structure, and philosophy. So what you get is a greatly extended series of lessons that's always evolving and offering more, and new members can download their very own copy of the official Cajon Method ebook. It's 260 pages long. It took me many hours to complete, but the feedback I've heard tells me it's absolutely worth it. What it does is it pairs easy to read notation and practice tips with each of the videos in the course, and it just really brings the whole thing together. But another thing that you might like is the members only audio. So you can download practice audio. I would recommend the 10-minute practice loop sessions where you can take the grooves that you've learned and then put them into a more complete musical context. So all of that content, all of that exclusive members content is produced to the highest quality, and I really think it adds weight to each and every lesson that you could watch on my channel. Clear and well thought out structure is one of the top priorities that students have when choosing a new course to learn from. So I want all the time that you spend learning with me to always feel productive and worthwhile. So the structure of this course is informed by years and years of my teaching experience, and each of the lessons are carefully sorted to guide you through the essential skills in the best order possible. There is also a healthy amount of checklists and goal setting to make sure that you stay motivated and you can track your progress right from the start. My philosophy is still all about holistic learning. I think that a Cajon lesson can be so much more than just that. I think it's all about how you can use your skills to bring music to life. So if you take Cajon lessons with me, you'll always go one step beyond just the rhythm, and you'll learn how what you've learned can really enhance the music. Well, anyway, that's just a bit of what I'm about. I do believe that this channel membership has a lot to offer, and maybe it could make all of the difference for you in your journey with this instrument. So thank you very much for your time, and if you ever have any questions, just leave a comment on any of my videos at any time, because I'm always here ready to help. I'll see you guys very soon. Thanks for watching. See you later.